Insulation plays a vital role in saving heating and cooling costs for your home. But shopping for insulation can be kind of intimidating if you don't know what you're looking for. Bats versus rolls, faced versus unfaced, and what does that big R number mean? If you have any of these questions, don't stress. By the end of this short video, you'll have all the information you need to make the right choice for your insulation project. Welcome to Insulation 101. Let's start by figuring out the right kind of insulation for your project. Bats are perfect for wall cavities and come pre-cut for easy installation. 2x4 and 2x6 are the most common wall cavity sizes, but don't forget to measure your project prior to selecting your insulation. Rolls work great for long run areas like floors and attics and are compact for easy transportation. And loose fill provides a quick and easy do-it-yourself option, great for attics. Now that we know what we're working with, let's talk R value. Simply put, R value means resistance to heat flow. So the higher the R value, the greater the insulating power. Pretty easy, right? And figuring out the right R value for your project is just as easy. Simply consult this map from the Department of Energy. Finally, let's determine whether you need faced or unfaced insulation for your project. Faced insulation has craft paper attached to one side to help control water vapor transmission. Local codes determine need and placement of a vapor retarder. Unfaced insulation has no vapor retarder and can be used in areas that do not need a vapor retarder, like when adding insulation in attics. Check the local building code for requirements in your area. No matter what insulation project is on your list, Owens Corning has the right product to help you get it done.